PEZZOL RAMBLER Fast. First up, we have something non-negotiable that every construction worker needs: a pair of work boots. They are made by an Italian company and are very likely the epitome of stylish functionality. The work boots are made from a combination of cav leather, fiberglass, and Gore-Tex material. These high-end construction shoes will have you looking snazzy while also offering benefits, such as puncture protection and being fuel resistant. The lining membrane of the shoes is super breathable, but waterproof at the same time. And when stepping on surfaces as hot as 572 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 degrees Celsius, it has enough thermal resilience to give you a 60-second gap. The price is around $270 for a single pair. Makita PDC-01 1200 Backpack Battery System. Makita is one of the leading names in the construction world, so we definitely can't have a tool list without including them. They have created a backpack battery system that will be useful for absolutely everyone. Since battery-powered tools are all the hype nowadays, this backpack battery will be a lifesaver. First up, we have the PDC-01 Backpack, an ideal 4-battery system that is compatible with 18 or 36-volt platform tools. This one will cost you $507. While the PDC-1200 is a more comprehensive option that boasts a 1200 6-watt-hour capacity. For perspective, this is enough to charge your iPhone 14 a whopping 95 times. This more advanced version comes in at a steeper $1,070. HP SitePrint. HP is a widely known manufacturer of computers and printers, but now they have changed the construction world for the better. The HP SitePrint is a robot that is designed to print digital layouts into workspace floors 10 times faster than humans are capable of. The great thing is that it's able to work on various surfaces, such as vinyl, epoxy, plywood, concrete, and more. The robot can do its job, even on floors that are a bit dirty, and it can traverse obstacles up to 1 inch or 20 millimeters in height. It can operate using cloud technologies and DXF files, and it offers remote control options that ensure operation is effortless. The robot has been tested in over 80 projects, and if you happen to be in the United States, Canada, the UK, or Ireland, you can purchase your very own. After purchase, you'll be paying 20 cents per square foot, or 0.00 square meters of printing. But the robot does come in at an eye-watering price of $50,000. ForgedAir. Next up, let's take a look at a clever mask technology that ensures construction workers are able to safely work in any environment. The ForgedAir are respirators that are now used in both construction and military applications. They've got the largest surface area of any other options on the market, and this equates to comfortable use and unhindered communication when wearing it. ForgedAir is a respirator that offers compatibility with various filters, depending on whether you need to protect against asbestos, dust, metal, or viruses. The respirator also comes with a detachable visor that has the amazing perk of not fogging up. A complete ForgedAir with the visor comes in at a price of $59. Illumagear 6th Sense plus Halo SL. Anyone in the electrical industry knows that a voltage meter is an indispensable little tool, and the Illumagear 6th Sense is one of the best. This voltage detector weighs in at 0.7 ounces or 20 grams, but definitely packs a punch. It can detect voltage between 120 volts to 550 kilovolts, and frequencies of between 50 and 60 hertz, so it will be perfect for just about every job. The device can run for 74 hours on one charge, and it has a price of $250. During emergency repairs, it can be attached to the Halo SL headlamp. Speaking of, this headlight has an impressive illumination range of 59 feet or 15 meters, and it fits most all hard hats. The battery provides 121 hours of use, and to get this lighting gadget, you'll need to spend an extra $130. SKYLOTEC ACX. Construction work is often incredibly dangerous, and this is why gadgets that improve safety are incredibly important. When working on power lines or wind turbines that are as high as 82 feet or 25 meters above the ground, you definitely don't want any mistakes or mishaps. In a single day, some workers climb the height of the Eiffel Tower. And this is why the SKYLOTEC ACX is invaluable. This secure and safe winch is able to transport workers up and down these structures, moving at a speed of 78 feet or 24 meters per minute. The battery on a full charge provides 200 minutes of operation, so you'll have no problem completing the job. The gadget can be controlled remotely as far as 492 feet or 150 meters away, and when you need to maximize productivity, this tool will shine out above all others. It's got a weight capacity of 440 pounds or 200 kilograms. The price is $15,500. Trimble XR10. Microsoft is not exactly what we think of when picturing construction tools, but they may surprise you yet. The Trimble XR10 are new and innovative mixed reality glasses that are based on the HoloLens 2, only greatly improved. These helmets are strong and durable, making them ideal for dusty and noisy environments. They even have added ear fans to ensure you stay cool while working. The Trimble XR10 is the first of its kind from Microsoft, boasting 2K resolution. It can also operate seamlessly in environments where humidity is as high as 80%. Even when there is background noise as much as 115 decibels, roughly equal to a sandblaster running. The headset offers great sound quality. The package includes goggles, a headset, and earphones, weighing in at 2.7 pounds or 1.2 kilograms. EksoZeroG. Did you know about a fifth of construction workers start complaining of physical pain from hard physical labor? This may explain why construction-related injuries cost the United States alone around $21 billion a year. It's for this reason that investing in something like the EksoZeroG is a no-brainer. This robotic arm is designed to ease the strain of physical labor and help construction workers by supporting the heavy tools they work with on a daily basis. The arm can effortlessly lift and support impact wrenches, riveters, and pneumatic hammers, to name a few. And it has a weight capacity of 35 pounds or 16 kilograms. The robotic arm is easily attached to either scissor lifts or scaffolding in under 60 seconds. It's guaranteed to improve both productivity and employee morale, so the investment of $700 is not a hard decision to make. TeraTrak R1. Next up, we have a really cool gadget for horizontal directional drilling, the TeraTrak R1. This mapping tool is the first of its kind, and when you need to create precise layouts for construction projects, this is the tool to have. On the mobile app, everything from waypoints to obstacles will be displayed on a distance of 492 feet or 150 meters. It boasts an accuracy of ±5.9 inches or 15 centimeters. The gadget works efficiently and without the need for a GPS, and its rugged outer housing ensures durability for at least a decade after purchase. The battery life offers 40 hours of work, and since it only weighs 13 pounds or 6 kilograms, it's super easy to transport around. Sonetics. It's no secret that construction sites are a loud environment. For example, a forklift generally produces more than 100 decibels of noise, while a circular saw produces as much as 90 decibels. This is why it's important to take proactive care of your hearing with the Sonetics headset. This headset has a few amazing features, such as capping all incoming sound at 82 decibels, which reduces the strain and long-term damage on your ears. The great news is that you can hear through the headset without taking it off, so communicating with your crew won't be an issue. The headphones allow for individual volume adjustment, such as raising the dialogue volume and lowering background noise. It can connect to your phone or laptop through Bluetooth, with a crazy range of 1,600 feet or 488 meters. This makes taking calls or listening to the radio while working easy peasy. Trimble Ri. Construction is a very precise art, and this is why gadgets like the Trimble Ri are so popular. It's attached to a tripod, and this total station, as it's called, is invaluable when it comes to surveying and construction. The Trimble Ri is able to measure distance and angles incredibly accurately, and it's automated so that a single person can conveniently operate it. The time spent on these projects can be reduced greatly by using this tool, and a single charge of its battery can power your work for 4.5 hours. This total station is very rugged, and it can operate seamlessly in extreme temperatures, ranging from 122 to -4 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 to -20 degrees Celsius. Rest assured, it's extremely portable and lightweight at only 12 pounds or 5.5 kilograms. These do have a whopping price of $47,796. Probst Flieguan MFXM30. For tile laying, the German company Probst provided why they are the name to contend with. This tile laying machine, known as the Flieguan MFXM30, is an invaluable investment for workplace safety and productivity. The machine operates with vacuum suction cups to keep your tile or slab in place, and it's so advanced that it can tilt the objects both horizontally and vertically. It doesn't damage the surface of the tile or slab, and it's able to lift a whopping 66 pounds or 29 kilograms, saving endless back-breaking labor. The machine is also compact and easy to transport since it only weighs 90 pounds or 40 kilograms. The technology involves a counterweight system to ensure complete safety and efficiency, and the price is a reasonable $3,600. GEDA AkkuLeiterLIFT. The world is becoming more and more enthralled by solar power by the day. This is why a German company took it upon themselves to simplify installation of solar panels, so it's a feasible option for everyone, whether you want to do your home installation yourself or have a solar installation job. The GEDA AkkuLeiterLIFT is the answer you've been looking for. The lift can hoist a weight of 264 pounds or 120 kilograms up to your roof, and its lifting height is a whopping 33 feet or 10 meters. The 10 amp-hour battery is able to fully charge in only 2 hours and can maintain a speed of 49 feet or 15 meters per minute. This hoist, including installation, can be yours for a total of $6,100. ExoHeaver. Back to exoskeleton gadgets. The ExoHeaver is set to change the landscape of physical labor forever. Construction, mining, and metallurgical companies have all invested in fitting their workforce with high-tech exoskeletons. The first model greatly reduces strain on workers by lifting up to 132 pounds or 60 kilograms in their place. The premium version, however, has an increased strength of 176 pounds or 80 kilograms. The explosion-proof electric motors will ensure you always have full mobility. The ExoHeaver is a great investment for working in tight spaces where traditional lifters can't fit. The device is fitted with an onboard computer and sensors that constantly keep an eye on the workspace parameters, such as gas levels and temperature. Amazingly, these skeletons are not only revolutionary for workspaces, but also for uses in rehab and mechanotherapy. Milwaukee M12 FUEL 2529-20. Here's another example of a great tool you should know about, and it's from the great minds at the Milwaukee company. This time, they have created a new kind of subcompact bandsaw that prioritizes not only safety but ease of use, allowing the user to work longer and in much smaller spaces than before. This unique little gadget has a remarkable cutting capacity of 2.5 inches or 63.5 millimeters, and it comes with a reliable, fail-safe double protection switch. It's also got LED lighting for those dimly lit corners and runs on M12 batteries. Moreover, the combination of smart electronics, a brushless motor, and red lithium batteries adds that extra bit of power and speed that makes this tool stand out. The $230 price tag is almost a steal. When it's time to replace worn-out blades, the manual clamping system eliminates the need to hunt for extra tools. It's all done right there and then. F4P Adjustable Hole Cutter Kit. What if we told you that there was a way, for less than $100, to achieve the cleanest, fastest, and most hassle-free hole cutting experience you've ever had? Well, if you decide to get the F4P Adjustable Hole Cutter Kit for only $93, you might just be in for the most pleasant work surprise of your life. With this one tool, you can now cut through regular old wood and plywood as well as acrylic, drywall, or even fiberboard. All this while keeping yourself and your workspace completely dust and debris free thanks to the built-in polycarbonate element. You can adjust the hole size from 1.6 inches to 11.8 inches or 40 to 300 millimeters in diameter, so you have the flexibility you need to take on any project. HYDE 17-in-1 Painter's Tool. The HYDE company has really outdone itself with this next unbelievably versatile 17-in-1 painter's tool. It's kinda like if every painter's dream came true at once, because not only is it a great multi-purpose tool that lets you do literally everything from opening cans to removing paint, but you can even use it to drive in nails and apply putty. It only costs as much as a movie ticket at $14. This at first unassuming looking little tool has a whopping 17 functions crammed into one, so it's definitely worth the investment. HOOGS USM-G. Now a tool for those who have to deal with the tedious task of cutting through miles of fabric every day. The HOOGS USM-G is cleverly designed to snip through about 935 feet or 285 meters of textile in under 60 seconds. It won't let the sheer speed of the job get to your fingers either, because the finger guard attachment keeps everything safe and secure where it needs to be. Plus, it can handle thicker fabrics too, with its max cutting height of 1.18 inches or 30 millimeters. The price? It retails for $1,249. SAVAQ. We're pretty sure that you'll be left wondering why you ever wasted so much time with other tools once you try the incredibly convenient SAVAQ kit. It only has 3 main parts to it: this bright blue installation tool, several linking components, and a 6.3-inch or 160 millimeter diameter pipe. The only caution is that you can't bury the pipes more than 3.3 feet or 1 meter in the ground. But who's got time for that anyway? Increment Corer. Trees are like living time capsules that hold crucial information about our past deep within their fibrous tissues, but we need special tools to get at it. Scientists need all the help they can get to unlock all the secrets hidden in these wood samples, and this is where the Increment Corer shines. This simple tool can be used to extract wood core samples without any hassle. The entire thing is easy to handle and operate, and within minutes, you'll have the perfect core sample of any tree. PacTool Shingle Sider SA908. Up next, we have an incredibly handy tool for roofing work. Putting up those shingles all by yourself will never again be a headache, thanks to the helpful and intuitive design of these Sider SA908 holders. You're welcome, says PacTools. It comes in at only $33. KINCROME Folding Safety Scraper. This pocket-sized solution from KINCROME is aimed at those who need some help removing sticky substances like glue, stickers, or paint from surfaces. The great news is that it's as user-friendly as it gets. The handles are super grip-friendly because of the thick gel coating. And swapping out the old blades is about as difficult as swapping out light bulbs. The cherry on the cake? It only costs $18. Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Magnetic Wristband. Every construction worker or mechanic knows the struggle of working with small nuts, bolts, and nails. Thankfully, Klein Tools has come up with a solution we can all get behind. They have created the Pro Magnetic Wristband, a rare earth metal magnet that is strapped right onto your arm. This wristband is attached with Velcro and adjustable to fit any arm, and it's lightweight at only 3.9 ounces or 113 grams, so you won't even know you're wearing it. Klein Tools has been making outstanding tools for nearly 170 years, but this wristband is definitely one of the coolest so far. It works so that the drill bits, bolts, and screws can be securely attached. This makes them easy to find and ensures they won't get lost. Whether you want to wear the wristband on your arm or attach it to your belt, it's going to be a game changer. The best thing? It only costs $19. DELMAG Frosch F5 F10. Construction workers often need compression hammers, and the DELMAG Frosch F5 and F10 are among the best options on the market. These are made by a German company, so we already know that the technology and functionality will be top-notch. Whether you need a tool for tamping, travel, or compacting soil, these compression hammers will be outstanding. The company even showcased a working model from the 50s, but today they have impressive models that can exert either 1,102 or 2,755 pounds, 500 kilograms, or 1,250 kilograms of force. This engine-driven tool works in a very specific way, and to put it in simple terms, it works as a free piston combustion engine. This means that the ignition of your fuel mixture in the combustion chamber propels the hammer into motion. This makes it straightforward and reliable to use. So when will you be getting yours? Attika-Sheet-Closer Vario 3.0. Next up, we have an invention from the Austrian company ForgedAir that was designed to protect buildings' parapets from bad weather and prolong their life. This is done with special metal flashings made from galvanized sheet metal. The Attika-Sheet-Closer Vario 3.0 bends the metal to precisely fit the shape of your parapet. They are folded in advance, and then installation is super quick and easy. The good news is that this tool is everything you'll need for the job from start to finish. It can do the job in only a few seconds, and its operation is simple and straightforward. The tool has an adjustable bending depth of between 0.8 and 4.7 inches, or 20 and 119 millimeters. For convenience, it's even got a measuring scale and sells for a reasonable $460. Stinger CN100B Cap Nailer. This latest innovation from the American company Stinger is going to save a lot of people a lot of time and frustration. It's packed full of features to make every roof underlayment installation project efficient as can be. Not only can you get through more roofs in less time by firing in 5 nails instead of 1, but you can hold up to 200 nails in the magazine at once and use it with one hand. It weighs about as much as 2 medium-sized grapefruits, just 4.9 pounds or 2.22 kilograms, so you can keep working for much longer before getting tired. It's super easy to use and understand, reliable, and will last you for years and years. It only costs around $300, a small price to pay for the sheer convenience it will bring to your long workday. Orange Thunder. Concrete paving is something that needs to be done right, and since almost every single construction site will need to go through this process eventually, it's vital to get it done as swiftly and safely as humanly possible, which now, thanks to the Orange Thunder, is now going to be a whole lot easier. This isn't your grandpa's float. It's been modeled out of the superpowered material KO20, a substance that is stronger than steel, lighter, tougher, and more durable than anything else out there. It's also water resistant and completely immune to rust. It's almost indestructible, and the float is coated with a specially textured frictionless surface that glides over concretes like a dream. With prices ranging from $50 to $600, there's a model to suit any budget. Hellerman Titan HDT16. If you feel like you're spending too much time fastening steel cable ties, it might be time to consider adding a tool like the Hellerman Titan HDT16 to your tool inventory. This 100% stainless steel cutter has been made to be used on ties up to 0.6 inches or 1.52 centimeters wide and 0.03 inches or 0.076 centimeters thick. It will greatly increase the number of pipes and cables you can fix in a day. But it's not just about speed. Safety is a top priority too, and that's why the cutter has been designed to not only perfectly fine-tune the tension levels, but to make ultra-precise cuts directly at the tie's edge. This leaves no extra metal pieces behind that could hurt someone later on. The price is $2,430. Eibenstock TwinMix 1800T. Perhaps no other industry has the sheer number of clever tools and ingenious mechanical hacks as a construction industry. And even today, there is a constant influx of new ideas and ways to solve old problems. The German-made TwinMix 1800T is a high-performance machine powered by a robust 1800-watt motor with an improved modular blueprint that includes upgrades like blades armed with scrubbers. This mixer has a timer to adjust mixing intervals and a generous 2.3 cubic feet or 0.065 cubic meter capacity bucket. It has seen uses in everything from landscaping to floor and tile laying and many complex civil engineering projects. And its design features two elements, a fixed mixer and a mixing bucket attached to the cart. This setup allows you to quickly transport the mixed material, pour it, and move on to the next step without missing a beat. The price comes in at $2,899. Trelawney Long Reach Scaler. British builders seem to have figured out the secret to the easiest construction jobs ever, and it includes using tools like the Trelawney Long Reach Scaler. 3 essential functions are packed into one convenient triple thread solution, and you can now chip, scrape, and descale all in one device without breaking a sweat or your back. Whether you need to get rid of old plaster, tiles, carpets, or even drywall, you are going to be backed up by a solid 2,200 strokes per minute and powered by a compact air compressor. No high-rise job will ever scare you again because you can now choose between handle lengths ranging from 2 to 6 feet or 0.61 to 1.83 meters. A variety of extra attachments and accessories are also available, and you can buy it now for around $475. Marex. Next up, we have a cool Polish invention that is taking gravel road grading into the fast lane and helping workers get through this slow and tedious process with less time and effort than ever before. With just one pass, it can whip up pavements spanning from a whopping 6.5 to 25 feet or 1.98 to 7.62 meters wide. It isn't picky either, whether it's crushed stone or any other bulky material. Marex can handle it like a pro. It's not just big, it's flexible too, and with an adjustable range of 4.7 inches or 11.94 centimeters. This tool can shapeshift to fit the unique demands of any project, big or small. The grading height can be dialed in from ground level all the way up to 15 inches or 38.1 centimeters. So it's great for uneven terrain, and the built-in guide rollers ensure a speedy, mistake-free job every time. Leister GROOVER. The Swiss wizards at Leister have conjured up this electrical marvel for carving grooves into surfaces like PVC flooring or linoleum, and are currently selling it for an investment-worthy price of $1,750. The groover has been specially made to handle the toughest of tasks with unrivaled precision and accuracy, and comes with 3 rollers that smoothly glide over the surface, while the leading roller in the front keeps the machine firmly on track. This prevents any slips or mishaps along the way, so you can work away at warp speeds and still get every joint and groove done just right. It has a maximum joint width of just 0.13 inches or 0.33 centimeters, and Leister also gives you the power to choose with 2 rotational speeds. For the milling discs, there are even optional add-ons like a fan and a special dust bag to keep things nice and neat. TurboHeatWelding Chiquita. The TurboHeatWelding Chiquita is definitely a top-tier tool with a similarly lofty price tag of around $4,600, but it still isn't quite as expensive as not doing a good job. Unlike conventional handheld tools that rely on manual operation, Chiquita takes autonomy to the next level, and with a mere flip of a switch, it springs into action, automatically uncoiling the roll and executing flawless hot welding all by itself. Simply place the welding cord on the special holder, position the tool at the seam, and let it work its autonomous magic on any linoleum welding project you have at hand. It's even equipped with special guide rollers and a built-in suspension system to help keep it on course, and has an impressive working speed of 18 feet or 5.49 meters per minute. TACLife Drywall Sander 6.5A. If you decide to get yourself one of these sanding machines, you will probably never have to work in the dark, dirty room again. This dust-busting marvel is equipped with an incredibly efficient, state-of-the-art automatic vacuum system that traps 98% of all the dust it generates. It has the added bonus of built-in lighting and a generous 6.5-foot or 1.98 meters dust extraction hose, as well as the ability to alter the angle of the tool as you use it. This means you can move around freely while effortlessly reaching every nook and cranny. The sanding plate is a full 9 inches or 22.86 centimeters across, and you can choose from speeds ranging from 500 to 1800 RPM. Hilti DD 30W. The masters of drilling tech at the Hilti company are always crafting new and often quite revolutionary tools, and their latest creation, the Diamond DD30W drilling system, is set to shake up the drilling scene once again. This absolute powerhouse is neatly packed into a lightweight frame of under 17 pounds or 7.71 kilograms, and is capable of spinning at speeds up to 8,700 RPM. This allows you to easily bore holes up to 1.4 inches or 3.56 centimeters wide, with zero risk of slamming into the rebar or compromising the integrity of the material being drilled into. No matter what it is, it's perfect for tackling tight spaces, boasts noise and vibration levels half that of traditional systems, and is made to help out with everything from reinforcing rebar to laying pipelines and anchoring heavy power gear. Sure, it might cost around $5,000, but for the quality and reliability it delivers, it's worth it. HYDE HS3000. The world of concrete rolling is probably never going to be the same again once everyone starts using this multitasking marvel of a machine. The clever design of the roller means the curb and the road can be shaped simultaneously. Changing the RPM speed is quick and easy, and the side insert can be swapped out to customize a concrete shape for each job. To make things even better, it's got an impressive working width of up to 30 feet or 9.14 meters, so multiple lanes can be created in just one go. The height of the holders makes the work even more comfortable for the user, and the only thing wrong with it might be the current $4,600 price. But even this pricey investment is still worth it. These inventive tools will definitely change your workday, but don't go anywhere as we have another countdown coming up now.